In this video, I want to share with you 4 trendy niches for December. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. I apologize because I'm still kind of a little sick, so if I sound stuffy, apologize about that. Comment below, get well soon. But before I share with you those four niches, I just want to do a quick sales update, show you my sales from yesterday. So yesterday was actually Cyber Monday, and it did not disappoint. I did 37 sales, did $67 in royalties. Now I was hoping to get a little bit more royalties, at least like 100, but I was still satisfied with this. I actually had more sales more royalties the day before with actually less sales. Today it is 5:45 p.m. and I have 21 sales with $28. So overall, satisfied with Cyber Monday, and that is going to put me at $1,323 for the month, and it's going to be a close race to see if I can actually beat next month. Looks like I might come up a little short, but you never know. It is Q4, could have a big day, tomorrow or the following. So we'll see what happens there. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can go ahead and click the link in the description. I post like my daily sales from Merch by Amazon, also from Etsy. Yesterday I had a massive day on Etsy of $561. I also post like gym pics and just like my life down here in Mexico if you're interested. Link is in the description. But now let's get into the content of the video. And so the first niche that I have for you is actually not one for December, but I thought it was pretty good, so I just wanted to share it with you. But basically what it is, Family Reunion 2024. And if you've been following this channel for a while, you're going to know that I've been really big into taking certain niches and then cross-niching it with the upcoming year, which is going to be 2024. And when we take a look at this phrase right here, Family Reunion 2024, we're going to see that there's only 336 results. But when we look at those results, we're going to see that actually none of them actually say Family Reunion 2024. Like if I just scroll down here, I was scrolling away and, didn't really see anything. But when I went and did Family Reunion 2023, actually going to find some designs that I'm talking about right here. It's like Family Reunion 2023, Family Reunion 2023, etc., etc. And we can see that these designs are selling. So if Family Reunion 2023 is getting sales, we can assume that Family 2024 is going to get sales as well. And you can do a design kind of like this, but instead of 2023, you just make it 2024. Same thing here. Do something similar. And basically you just change the year. We're going to see that these have BSRs 581, 453 in the Climate Pledge Friendly category, 700 Climate Pledge Friendly category. There's also this one down here that I also saw. This looks like a pretty good one. Just a quick tip, always a good idea to when you upload, not just upload to black t-shirts, but also to white as well, because people are looking for both. And when we go to test to see if Family Reunion 2024 is trademarked, we're going to see that nothing pops up. When we go to Etsy and some of the other print-on-demand websites, we're going to see Family Reunion 2024, only 1,800 results. Basically, all of them are like PNG files, but basically you do something like this, and you put it onto Merch by Amazon or even onto Etsy. If we go to Redbubble, I didn't really see anything either that was just specifically Family Reunion 2024. A lot of it had to do just like with like family vacations, but I'm talking about specifically saying we're doing something specifically like this right here. Like I just showed you a little bit ago, or where to go. This one, something like this, for example, where you just say Family Reunion 2023. If we go to TeePublic, not really seeing too much. Well, this one, Family Trip, so kind of similar, but you can do something like this. Instead of trip, you would just say Family Reunion 2024. And if we go to Creative Fabric, I think this is actually where I got the idea for. So let me see if I just pop that in right here. Let's see if anything pops up. Sometimes just doing niche research, I'll just come to Creative Fabric and just pop in 2024 to see what niches I might be able to find. But it's kind of taking its sweet time. Okay, so here we go. So this looks like a good one right here. Maybe, oh yeah, it does come in all black. So I would probably do something like this on white. And then I would also take this, put it into Photoshop, change it to white, and then put it on a black t-shirt. So that's one example right there. Let's see, does it come with the print-on-demand special license? No, it doesn't. All right, so you won't be able to use that one. With Creative Fabrica, it's really important to understand that you can only use listings that have the print-on-demand special license. But that's the first niche that I have for you, and it is this one right here, Family Reunion 2024. Oh, I got a sale. 3 t-shirts. Nice. Girls Trip 2024. I'm telling you that 2024 niche is off the chart. All right, let's go to the next niche. And then the next niche that I have for you is actually one for December, and it is this phrase or niche right here that says Crohn's and colitis awareness. Now, usually I do a video just on like awareness niches for the upcoming month, but in December, there's very few. There's like basically World's AIDS Day and then this one. So I didn't really have enough to make a whole video about it. But this is the niche that I have for you. It's Crohn's and colitis awareness. There's only 271 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's only 271 results. When you go to Google, we're going to see that when is Crohn's and Colitis Awareness Week? It's actually December 1st to the 7th, so it's coming up very quickly. We can take a look at these designs. We're going to see that they are selling. Now, designing for this, you know, there's two type of people that are purchasing these types of shirts. There's people that want to like support their mom, dad, son, or daughter. And then there's people that actually have the disease. So you just want to keep that in mind when you're, designing for it. You also want to just do a quick little Google search on the actual disease, just so you kind of understand who it affects, because maybe it only affects old people, or maybe it only affects young people, or maybe it affects more men than women, or, maybe it affects just the brain or the gut. So you just want to kind of just do a quick little research just so you kind of know what the niche is about. But as you can see, a lot of these are selling. To kind of niche down a little bit more, a good recommendation is to cross niche it. So like this one right here, proud husband of a Crohn's disease warrior. So this is someone whose wife has the disease and he wants to support her. Then you have one like this where it's like warrior, which is actually for the person that has the actual disease. Some good design styles for this is going to be the American flag, like this one right here, or maybe the messy mom bun or the messy bun design. If we go to test to see if this is trademark, Crohn's and colitis awareness, nothing is going to pop up unless it timed out. But I did the search before, and okay, so there we go. So nothing pops up for that. And competition is low on Etsy, only 1,000 results. Redbubble, only 71 results, which I thought was kind of low. I thought there'd be more on this one for this niche. And then TeePublic, we're going to see it's low, and it looks like this disease actually affects the guts or the intestines. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, when I went to create a fabric, I didn't really find too much. You got some like wall art. The only one that I saw was like this. So this, usually sunglasses like this with the American flag tend to do pretty well. So maybe you could use this as some type of clip art for your design. But that is the second niche that I have for you, and it is this niche right here, Crohn's and colitis awareness. And then the next niche that I have for you that is going to be trending in December is going to be Portugal Independence Day. So Portugal Independence Day is celebrated in December. There's only 49 results for this keyword. There's in a third page, so I can't show you. But when we take a look at some of the designs, we're going to see that they are selling 404, 454 in the climate pledge friendly category. They have reviews. I think a good way to make a design for this or to attack this type of niche is to cross niche it with America, because a lot of people from Portugal have, moved to the United States. They're living in the United States. So they kind of feel like they have like both nationalities basically, or not, but maybe you could do both. But I think something like this is good right here. Where they're cross-niching both the United States and Portugal. If we go to test to see if Portugal Independence Day is trademarked, I'm not seeing anything that pops up. So for some reason this is taking longer than it usually does. Okay, there it goes. And Portugal Independence Day on Etsy, only 855 results. Basically seeing more jewelry than I am t-shirts. Redbubble, only 11 results. TeePublic doesn't show us the amount of results, but actually we can just see right here, it says there's just one. And when we go to Creative Fabrica, we can actually get some clip art, some designs for our t-shirt designs for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. So that is the third trending niche I have for you guys for December, and it is this one right here that says Portugal Independence Day. And then the fourth or last trending niche that I have for you for December is also another Independence Day one, and it is Romanian Independence Day. So Romanian Independence Day is celebrated also in December. We're going to see there's only 38 results for this keyword. There isn't a third page, so I can't show you, but we're going to see just like the last one, it's low in competition. They don't have the best BSRs, but it could help you get some extra sales for the month of December. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, Romanian Independence Day, hit enter. Kind of too lazy to wait, but you're just gonna have to take my word for it. Okay, there it goes. It's not trademarked. Etsy, low in competition, only 400 results. Redbubble only has 4 results. I'm a Romanian mermaid. That's kind of funny. Okay, interesting. Identify as patriot. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see it's that same seller making that same type of design, which they just scaled out, but instead of Portugal, they're saying Romania. And then if we go to Creative Fabrica, I didn't really find the best, but maybe you do a little more research, a little more digging, and you might be able to find something that could work for your designs. But that is going to be the fourth trending niche I have for you for December, and it is Romanian Independence Day. And that is going to be the video for today. If you're looking for more niches, go to my channel, subscribe, click the bell. Sorry, I'm about to sneeze. And you can check out my videos. I've been putting out both Etsy and Merch by Amazon content. So if you're just getting onto Etsy, I just put out this video right here. Found some really good pickleball niches, but I also have a lot of other niches for Amazon as well. So if you're interested, take a look. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I have a link in the description. You just go into the description right here. There's a section that says My Favorite POD Tools. There's a Creative Fabrica link. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. And then also, I have a course for Merch by Amazon and Redbubble. They're the first two links in the description. They're basically courses that are on Udemy. They're only $19.99, 30-day money-back guarantee if you're dissatisfied or whatever. But you can check out the reviews. People seem to like it. Those courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I will show you how I get sales like this on a monthly basis. Now, I'm by far not the best merch seller, but you can see I do pretty good. You know, last month 1,500, this month 1,300. So, you know, not bad. But basically, I can just teach you what I've learned over the years. So if you're interested, those links are in the description. And then also make sure to follow me on Instagram. If you want to just direct message me and just ask me a question, a lot of people have been doing that. I've been answering their messages within like 24 hours. So if there's something on your mind, you know, you want to ask me about, send me a message. I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Link for Instagram is also in the description. All right, so that's it for today's video. Comment below what you guys think. And also, I just want to express my appreciation for everybody that's been supporting the channel, because now I'm getting monetized. I'm starting to get paid for these videos. So I appreciate you guys watching the ads and, you know, and just consuming my content, you know, commenting, you know, all that stuff, liking, sharing. It really means a lot to me. So thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.